An undisputed title fight, deserving of the bright lights of Las Vegas, requires many important pieces.
Officially begun the undisputed fight between Devin Haney and Vasily Lomachenko. These two have been going back and forth all week long.
A historic venue.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome inside the MGM Grand Garden Arena here in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. This is boxing. This is Top Rank. Presented by
Elite production.
Ready 6, take 6, set 23, and dissolve 23.
The moment has arrived. The undisputed lightweight championship of the world. Devin Haney, Vasily Lomachenko from the MGM Grand Garden.
Boxing legacy up and down the card.
It would mean 20 years of blood, sweat and tears was all worth it.
Behind the scenes exclusivity. Unrestricted ringside access. Two championship fights. And two kings fighting for undisputed legacy. All 4 belts are on the line and solidifying their status as boxing royalty. Devin Haney versus Vasily Lomachenko. Tonight. Checkmate.